Hey yo guys, how you all doing today guys? Bless you all for tuning in. Hey, it's Monday guys, we're just waiting for the range to close. So I'll be doing some forward casting for the week. So I'm waiting for today's day to close and work with today's range. So yeah, last week, it was tough guys. It was tough, but we managed to stay disciplined and in control of our emotions. So let's hope this week has something we don't know. Let us go. Hey yo guys, it's late. I just opened the trade without any, I don't know. Usually I don't trade Mondays, but I think I got bored. So I don't know. I didn't know what to do. Ended up pressing that button. I was doing some top-down analysis. And then I saw, let me show you real quick. As you can see guys, I was hoping because I could see that the market kept on breaking the lows. As you can see, we had a lower low, doing some trending market structure. So basically, I think my stop was too tight. As you can see, usually I don't trade Mondays, guys, but anyway, I entered the market. So I entered based on this FVG here, and the market started to go on my favor. So basically I'm aiming for 1:3. So I think my stop loss was too tight guys. As you can see, my original stop was supposed to be this above, maybe this propulsion order block or this high here, but as you all know, I was just hoping to scalp, and then it came all the way and took me out guys. That's how bad it is guys. That's some bullshit. Bullshit. As you all know, just lost the $14 there, but it is what it is guys. As you can see, the trade, I think it's going to hit the TP. If only I was just smart with my stop loss there, I would have still been in the trade. Yeah, but it is what it is guys. So yeah, we will see tomorrow, man. I'm eating all these losses, but it is what it is, my guy. Yo, let's go, man. Yo guys, I don't know what I just did, and I found out I just opened another trade. That one already took out with a TP. Now we had a pullback, so I was waiting for a pop-up break of structure, so deep break the structure. So I tried to anticipate the reaction from this, but it is what it is. So I'm currently in this trade guys again. Now I'm in some deep shit. I broke all the rules. Trust me, my guy. Broke the rules. This is an impulsive trading now. This is what I was avoiding, guys. So yeah, my stop is above this week, and I'm targeting sell side liquidity, which is from 15-minute time frame. This is what I'm targeting, guys. This is what I don't like, But yeah, it is what it is. And then if I mess up this trade, guys, I'm done for the week. Just like that. Why is that? I broke the rules, but yeah, it is what it is guys. Hey yo, it's Wednesday type of shit, and I'm already in the street. I am not happy guys. Hey yo, I'm not happy with where I entered. It's not looking good, but hey guys, I'm not happy with my entries this week guys. Like, it was a very emotional trading. Even here, I didn't enter like on a refined model, like where I'm supposed to enter. Like, my original entry is supposed to be here, this AVG here, but I hesitated and waited for it to break above this other block, and then yep, it came back. So I'm not really happy with my entries this week lately. Yeah, I'm not happy guys. I'm not happy at all. So yeah guys, I'll update you on the trade plays off. Yeah, let's go. So yeah guys, the TP just got hit. I'm not really happy with the trade guys. I'm thinking we're going for this buy side, because as you see on the 4-hour time frame, I don't know, maybe we'll get the pullback to this point, or maybe we're just reacting from this FVG here. Sorry about that guys. We're probably reacting from this FVG. I don't know, maybe we'll go, it's ready to go up, or maybe it might close as this, like this is in rejection, and then form another 4-hour candlestick and then go impulsively. Or maybe it's just a pullback just to create some sort of manipulation and continue lower to this point. Oh, sell side, guys, I don't know, but so far I did my scalping and the market is looking bullish. You're already like creating those high highs, you know, breaking this high, there's a new high, breaking this high, there's a new high. But with the week, this is not a convincing structure, but you know, some of them they can work with this, and they know that's a new high there. He probably might be breaking another, creating a new high. We don't know, guys. So yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm done for the week. Or maybe I may see tomorrow, but I already took 3 trades. I'm done for the week. So yeah, guys, as for the week, I am not really happy. I am not happy at all. I broke all the rules, guys. I say 1 trade a day. I ended up taking like 2 trades. Like, I was so emotional, bruh. Almost cost my account, you know. Even when I took this trade, guys, I think, you know what I did wrong? I think I entered the market with the mind that, with the previous week's mind that I took a losing streak last week. So I didn't refresh my mind to come and studying. Like, my mind was stuck on that loss. Even on the weekends, I was busy thinking about those losses I took. That's why when it came to this week, I ended up doing something out of context, breaking my rules. At this moment, I was gonna go tilt, guys. There was the moment when I was like, fuck. And then I remembered that no, this is the chain, guys, the process, you know. So it's a very emotional week. I don't wish to feel this way again. But yo, thank you guys for watching. Let's see tomorrow, guys. But I think this will be the end of the week. But you know what? Let me not just rush. Let me see how the week goes. Let's go. Yeah, he's content. He's content. Yeah. Why are you running? Here's this bitch nigga here. He kissed a hot knife. Ayo. Ayo. What's going on? What happened to your lips? Hey, it's getting personal now. Hey, what's going on? Wednesday, and I'm currently in this trade right now. Probably not looking good, but this is where I entered. It's like 1:2 entry. So yeah, let me show you real quick. So as you all know, it's more like a structure, you know, continuation. Like I said, this week I'm only scalping until I get a clear bias, and then that's for 1 hour. As you can see, showing some continuation, already rejecting. But yeah, that's more like one. Let me see on the 4 hour. The 4 hour, this is the one that I'm not happy with because it already took out the high, but I'm hoping to get a last push again, guys. But yeah, it is what it is, so I will update you. Hey yo guys, my trade just closed. I closed my trade and yo guys, my trade just closed and I closed my trade early. I was trying to adjust the take profit and even my risk was not well managed, but yo, it just closed by mistake. Let me show you. So yeah guys, what ended up happening, I was trying to adjust my take profit into XZ like 1:3, but hey, I just got stopped just like that. And what's worse is that I entered manually and I didn't manage my risk well. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. So this is how it is. Got triggered it out, like it's like, yeah, my TP just got hit and it is what it is. Even my secondary TP just got hit also, guys. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. Such mistakes do happen. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see next week, guys. Let me show you my TP just got hit, as you'll see. Let me do 5 minutes type of shit. But yeah, guys, failed to manage it properly. Even the risk, I'm not happy. But yeah, I'm happy that I followed the rules, guys. What's important is following the rules. So I think I will have to set a proper, maximum risk, maximum trade for the week, knowing that I think maybe I have to stick to 3 trades, win or lose. If I take 3 losses, it's chai. If I take maybe 2 losses, 1 win, it's chai. If I take any like 3 wins, it's chai. So yeah. Or maybe I should also add a market cap when I take like 2 wins. It's chai. I don't know. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. This is how I close the week.
What's up, bro?
Yo, look at this. This is my brother. He's very white. I'm always curious. This one, I think his father is a buru, if you know what I mean, type of shit. But yeah. So hey, yo, guys. Here's my dashboard so far. They're all looking good. Just 10 trades. You know, average RR, which is good. Win rate, okay. Not bad. Then let me show you the calendar. So yeah, guys, as for the trade that I said I will update you, it was also a loss. You see, we took like 2 losses. Let me reduce the lighting, guys. Looking good. Yeah, these are the 2 losses that they took from yesterday, which way I broke my rules. And then yeah, as you all know, it came again alive and started to gain the composure with 1 trade a day. So yeah, this is the end of the quarter, yo. It's the end of the quarter. It's going for a second quarter, and yo, I appreciate the subs, guys. We're going there. You're about to reach it, man. You know, let's go. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing, man. And for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. You know the vibe. Let us go. And hey, yo, as for the profit factor, it's all good. They say that the average or a good profit factor, it's over 2, and then when it's bad, it's like 1. You know, reason being is that your risk management doesn't make sense at all. You're losing more than you have to make. That's what it means. So yeah, I think that's all, guys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you know what, the vibes. This is how we end the vlog. This is how it goes, my guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. And yo, next video, I don't know, but I have some plans. Like there's this secret weapon that will help me stay focused. So make sure you don't miss that one, guys. So hope to see you on my next video. And yo, it's your boy.